Everyone, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm doing butter candy recipe video. So for butter candy recipe video, you need condensed milk and half of unsalted butter. First, turn the stove on low heat and then put in the butter. So you put in the butter like this. Time to add in the condensed milk. So put in the condensed milk. Use all of it. And save a little bit of the rest for later. Condensed milk and butter is ready to be stirred. Now as the bubbles are forming, keep stirring as it forms kind of a paste for the candy. Put it on low heat and let the condensed milk and butter caramelize, forming it to turn into a kind of a dough. So let that come together and form into a dough like this. Turn into a full butter candy mixture, but this is still good enough to eat into a snack. Thank you for watching Hunyah Travel Food Reviews. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Everyone for watching Hunyah Travel Food Reviews. Please follow and like and subscribe. Thank you.